Please follow these instructions to clean and maintain your batter station. The unit must be fully cleaned daily to ensure performance, reliability, and food safety. Start by turning off the unit. The power switch is located on the front right side just above the door. Wipe down the exterior of the unit with a sanitizer-soaked towel. Wipe down the door and the door gasket seal as well as the overshelf. Remove the pan cover, the tong holder, the pan template, and the fan guard. These can be washed, rinsed, and sanitized in a sink. After removing these items, wipe down the pan area with a sanitizer-soaked towel. Remove the wire shelving and wash, rinse, and sanitize in a sink. Remove the wire shelves and wash separately in a sink with an approved cleaning solution. Remove any solid debris and wipe down with a sanitizer-soaked towel. Allow to dry. When all the surfaces and components are dry, reinstall the fan guard and the pan template. Then, reinstall the 3 separate pieces of the sliding cover, starting with the front piece, followed by the middle piece, and then the back piece. Reinstall the wire shelves in the lower part of the refrigerator and reinstall the tong holder. Turn the unit back on with the power switch. Allow the unit to reach temperatures below 40 Fahrenheit before reloading with product. The condenser coil must remain clean to ensure performance, reliability, and food safety. Start by turning the unit off. The power switch is located on the front right side just above the door. To remove the cover, use the finger hole provided to slide the cover up. Visually inspect the condenser fins for any dust and/or debris. With a soft bristled brush, gently remove debris by brushing vertically in the direction of the fins. Caution, these fins may be sharp. Reinstall the condenser cover by aligning the mounting tabs with the slots on the unit. Insert the tabs and then slide the cover down to lock in place. When complete, turn the unit on with the power switch. Allow the unit to reach temperatures below 40 Fahrenheit before reloading with product. Open the front door to inspect the gasket seal for any damage or tears. If any damage is found, contact H&K International for a replacement. Also, check door hinges to ensure they are secure and that the door swings freely with no binding. With a stiff bristled brush, remove any debris present on the casters located at the bottom of the unit.